Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel. Today I created this very everyday kind of berry holiday-esque inspired tutorial. I did this using my Morphe 35C Everyday Chic palette. But before we get into it, hi, I'm Machaela. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel, but let's just go ahead and get started. My eyes are already primed and set. I'm going to go ahead and start in with the shades Getting Ready mixed with Love It. And I'm going to go ahead and pop that in the crease here. Just going back in and dipping the two. I just kind of want to create a nice pinky beige kind of transitional shade. I'm going to take a little bit more of a tapered brush here and go in with the shade Total Mood, and that's going to go into my outer crease and into, my outer crease and onto the lower half of the lid. And then again, just going back in with the transition shades and blending as needed. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take the shade Be My Guest on my ring finger here, and that's just going to go all over the lid. And for the lower lash line, I'm just going to go ahead and buff Total Mood just right there, and just leave it just like that. I will go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera, put on some mascara, and I will be right back. Alright, and to finish off the look, I went ahead and used my Ace Beauté lip liner in the shade Be Peachy, as well as my Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the shade Liar. And that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed just this very simple eye tutorial. I know it's been a while since I've done one of these. I just kind of felt like, why not? That's kind of the foundation of where my channel started, so I kind of wanted to just continue with that. So with that, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. God bless, and bye guys.